Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Baba 7 days ago when the price of this asset was at $83.34, and my main assumption right here was that we have a lot of uncertainty on the price chart. We had a very good breakout below the range of support that I marked previously, and I caught this movement to the downside. Then we had a bounce to the upside, and with these two candles, I showed you that we potentially might retest this range of support, and I didn't have any setups for the price action for upcoming week. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and I told you that we have to retest this range of support. We retested it for 3 times, then we broke it to the downside. And by the way, guys, take a look on the volume. We didn't have sufficient volume with this breakout. This means it was a false breakout, and as you can see, we went above this range on the very next session. And for now, we are hovering at exactly at the same level, at about $83.5. And I have to say that in my technical analysis, I will show you what should we expect next. But for now, guys, as you can see, I caught again this movement. I told you that we have to retest, but this retest is not enough to enter any position long or short. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite a fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again on the price chart. I have to say that if I delete this channel, you can see that we have pretty much a sideways movement. The lower border of this movement is about $79.2, and the upper resistance at about $85 mark. And so far, we didn't break none of these ranges. That is why we are still in consolidation phase. And in general, if we zoom out to, let's say, 4 hours time frame, you can see that we have very good movement to the upside. And by the way, guys, I caught this movement to the tick. I predicted pretty much all of its movements. That is why technical analysis works perfectly well on this particular asset, and that is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. But guys, what was the reason of this spike in its price on the pre-market hours? As you can see, we are up by about 2.6%, and let me show you what was the reason of it. First of all, if you Google Baba stock and switch to new stock folder, and guys, we have basically one major news for this company. Alibaba's shares accepted to Shanghai HK and Shenzhen HK Stock Connects. And let me show you this news in details. We are on Finance Asia, and this article was published just several hours ago on September the 10th. And it's, I've already written you the title, but the subtitle is following: the moves which will allow mainland Chinese investors to trade the stock follow Alibaba's recent primary listing on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. And guys, take a look on the effective date. Let me quote it for you. Alibaba Group Holdings ordinary shares, which are now primarily listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, have been included in the Shanghai Hong Kong Stock Connect and the Shenzhen Hong Kong Stock Connect programs, both effective on September the 10th. Basically, today is this deadline. And I have to say that because of this news, they can attract much more money to, let's say, much more liquidity to their stocks, and this leads to higher price target. And we have this movement to the upside that during just one session gained, let me show you, about 5% to its value. And I have to say that I don't think that this news might be the major catalyst for the upcoming week, and I don't think that it can break its range of resistance at about $85. But everything is possible. Somewhere in the future, this asset will break either its resistance or its support, and I will definitely show you this potential movement. But so far, guys, let's take a look on the consensus analyst price target. Unfortunately, we don't have any recent updates from analytic firms, and the consensus analyst price target according to market beats is still the same. It's set at about $107.61, which implies roughly 32.15% of upside potential. And in general, guys, if you take a look on the list of institutional investors, and first of all, definitely I want to show you this chart. It is the institutional ownership of Alibaba stock. And as you can see, we have potentially new uptrend that will indicate that more and more people, more and more institutional investors want to have Alibaba in their investment portfolios. And if this trend continues, if we see higher and higher bars to the end of this year, it will definitely be a very good catalyst for Alibaba to go even higher. But guys, if you take a look on the most recent actions from the institutional investors, you can see that we have some cautious buys on this list. And if you take a look on the delta shares right here, the positive number shows that this company increased its position, and negative number shows that this company decreased its position in Alibaba. In general, I have to say that we basically don't have any red rolls right here, almost none of them, just one company that was filed on August 23rd. And this means not so many companies want to get rid of their position. And it is also a quite bullish sign. And guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, in general, I have to say that we are still on the nowhere's territory, and we have to see the breakout below the range of support. Let me mark this as a channel, as a parallel channel, something like this. We have to break one of these two lines, and definitely when it happens, and the breakout should be supported by the substantial volume as we saw previously. And if it happens, it will be a very good sign to the trend continuation. But in general, guys, let me delete unnecessary tools. I don't like this many lines on the price chart. In general, if you switch to daily time frame, and if I turn off all the drawing tools, you can see that from its swing high to basically from its all-time high to swing low, this asset lost substantial amount of its value, and it lost about 80% of its value, and for now it is still hovering for more than a couple of years around this lower border of this range. And this means technically we have more chances to see its movement to the upside, because in general Alibaba is undervalued right now. It has pretty much the same price as it had back in 2016, but the business itself has much more lucrative numbers. And that is why, guys, from the investor standpoint, it is very good ranges to accumulate your position. But from the trader standpoint, and you know that I prefer to trade different stocks, from the trader standpoint, I cannot see major or even any type of trades for this asset in upcoming week. Probably it might change within next several days, but so far just stay aside and wait for more clear picture for this asset. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.